Cermat Skincare. Collagen Repair. Defy the passing of time. Product features. Naturally repairs and stimulates collagen production for skin that appears firm and rejuvenated. Enriched formula with collagen biospheres that help smooth skin's texture and visibly reduce wrinkles. Benefits. Serum developed to repair skin, structure, tone, and elasticity. Contains important emollients that leave face smooth, luminous, and radiant. Collagen provides strength and tension while supporting tissue structure. Directions for use. Apply after cleansing routine. Apply day or night onto face and neck, massaging lightly with fingertips to favor absorption. Skin types.